Friends, welcome to my channel Healthcare. My today topic is best DIY for anti-aging. Yes, definitely face masks are an amazing way to provide your skin with the essential nutrients in a faster and more concentrated format than your other skincare products. When you add some commonly used ingredients that have potent anti-aging properties, it definitely helps to reduce the signs of aging and give your skin youthfulness. So let's make DIY. How to make? Mix together half a cup of fresh buttermilk and then add 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, and after mixing this mixture, heat the mixture for about a minute. Once the mixture is slightly warm, add 2 teaspoons of olive oil and let it completely cool down. How to apply? Apply this mixture to your face and keep it on for about 10 to 20 minutes. Wash with cold water and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Benefits: buttermilk nourishes dry and damaged skin, while oatmeal helps buff away dead skin cells and provides an anti-aging effect. Lastly, olive oil is the perfect way to add a boost of moisture and make it look thoroughly conditioned. I hope you liked the video. Give me thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you.